This is our 4th day in Boracay.
I want this one.
You want waffle? Waffle?
Ito.
Okay, sige. I'll get waffle. This is our breakfast. Today, magsiswimming kami buong araw. Kasi kahapon hindi nakaswimming si Tanya at si Julie.
And tomorrow we're gonna go back to the Philippines.
To our house.
I want yeah, to our house. Mama, I want
Opo. Wait lang. See you later, guys.
and apparently Boracay is part of the Philippines.
Yes, it's part of the Philippines. Ah, may castle na si Tanya. Where's ate?
Head na lang si ate.
Get me out of here!
What happened to you?
Tanya, look at ate. Head na lang siya.
Look,
Oh no!
I'm trying to move.
Head ka na lang.
I'm trying to move. Get me out of here!
Hello.
Oh, help ate, dali. Help ate, help, dali. Oh, wag sa face si ate, wag sa face.
Ate, wag.
Oh, stand up na.
Go. Stand up.
Wash your face.
Oh my God. I'm a sand monster roar.
You're like ano? Lubog mo yung face mo. Lubog mo yung face mo para ano.
Never.
Para yung mukha mo. Wag sa face na! Wag sa face.
Sorry.
Para naman po. Ako nga, dadahan-dahan eh.
Wait lang, tanggalin ko yung nasa face ni ano.
Hey, Mom.
Duros kasi di nag-iingat eh.
Go. Don't put.
Wow, si Tanya din. Nobody na.
Wala, head na lang din si Tanya.
Nobody knows you.
Ayan, higa ka lang ganyan. Ganyan ka lang, ganyan.
Yan, higa lang.
Higa lang, higa. Wala. Wala, head na lang si Tanya. No more body
Oh,
na.
picture natin si Tanya. Tanya, smile.
Tatangan dyan ate. Pipicture na si Tanya. Look at the camera, Tanya. Ate, move ka muna para mapicturean siya. Ayan,
Can you move?
move your hands. Can you get out of there?
Oh, move
Go,
na, move. Move.
Yo, Ate, help me.
Oh, go. You can do it yourself.
Come
Come on,
on.
move.
Ate,
Move your arms. Your arms.
Your arms, move.
move your Ate.
Ito na,
Ayan na, ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan.
I'm a giant dinosaur.
We're digging like a squirrel. Whoa!
Wow!
Walking dead like a zombie. Oh no, there's a zombie!
Ah, may zombie! Papunta sa dagat! Yung zombie!
Let's finish our castle.
O, dali, finish yun na yung castle nyo.
Yeah.
Oh, kiss ko na yung zombie.
Nangagat na yung zombie. Nagsuswimming yung zombie.
Yan, ano, wash your body.
Yung body mo, ilubog mo. O, tapos finish yun na yung castle nyo.
Uy.
Nagsuswimming na sila. Let's go. Sama tayo sa kanila. Ate! Ate!
Swim din, swim. Sa kanya din. Whoa.
I'm swimming like a dog.
Whoa!
Ang galing ah.
I'm swimming like a literal dog.
It's like a super big swimming pool, no?
Oh, ang big ng swimming pool ni Tanya oh.
Yeah. Today, blah blah blah.
Today what?
Today we're swimming at
In
the
the
big
beach.
swimming pool.
Yeah. And we're swimming at the beach.
Abot mo yung floor?
Yeah.
Okay.
See?
Wow!
Oh, mag-jump si Tanya. 1, 2, 3, go!
Yeah!
1, 2, 3. Ang galing ni Tanya, nag-jump pa.
Oh, swim ate, swim.
Okay,
Again, and 1, 2,
Swim.
Ay, no, Tanya, ang galing ah.
Okay, that's that one. Can I just hold that?
Ang ganda ng water. Oh, ang linaw. Ang linaw ng water.
Yeah, I know. We have our shadows in the literal water.
Yeah. Ayun, may fish sa ilalim mo. Nakita mo ate?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Ayun na, may fish.
Don't bite me!
Where's the fish?
Kulay white yung fish.
Where?
Ito. Wala na, umilalim na. Wala.
You can see the, ano.
Hindi na nakita ni Tanya.
I think I saw it. Giant wave! Oh gosh.
Wait, mama.
You're Arctic. This is how I will float.
Si Papa naman, si Papa mag-chill.
My papa's just chilling.
Yeah.
But I can also chill.
Nag-floating si ate. Ang galing ah. One more nga ate.
No, there's too much waves.
Oh, laki ng waves.
Oh my gosh!
Ah, dali, floating ka.
Wait, no.
Yan. Wow, ang galing.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh, my scream is crazy. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, my scream is just so crazy. Another big time.
Diyan ka mag-i-start? Ah, sige. Paglubog mo, lulubog na din ako. Mamaya. Oh, let's go. One, two, three. Naghahanap kami ng makakainan for lunch. Maganda pa rin ang weather. Nung isang gabi naramdaman namin may lindol. Akala namin ano lang, something lang. Yun pala lindol na talaga.
Si Tanjuan.
Come ate. Here's Ate Juris na iba na ang kulay. Nagbabad sa beach, nagbabad sa pool. And si Tanya also.
I didn't change.
Ayan oh, bakat na yung sa swimsuit mo. Mamaya, I'll show you. Dito sa Station 3, walang masyadong tao na nagsiswimming. Unlike sa Station 1 and 2, nung kahapon na nagpunta kami, napakadami talagang tao. Ayan oh, tignan mo. chill lang dito sa Station 3. Di ba?
Mga ibang days, ang dami.
Ang daming ang tao.
Sensor ka man, lagi ang yung bugi ko. Wait mar kita bus terminal.
Ayan, may mabibilhan na dito ng mga souvenirs.
Ma'am, mag-lunch kayo, ma'am.
Ayan yung naggagawa ng ano, sandcastle. Dito kami sa lunch buffet. Ayan. Tanya is crying kasi may bubo siya. Let me see. Nadulas kasi siya dun sa hagdan ng pool. Don't cry na. It's okay. Stop crying na. It's okay. Oh, we're going to eat na. Tapos rest na tayo, ha? What's that, ate?
Adobo, chicken, taba, and pork.
Adobong pork and fried chicken for lunch si ate. Hungry na yan eh. Kanina pa yan nagsasabi na hungry na siya.
Kaya palang dami na kami kinuha pagkain.
Kanina kasi gusto niya mag-snack. Eh sabi ko, wala akong dalang pera sa bag. Nasa iyo ang pera. Kaya sabi ko, hintayin yung lunch. Nagutom tuloy si ate. Si ate na iba na ang kulay. Enjoy lunch, ate.
I am a brownie.
A brown Barbie.
I know enough.
Nagkamay na ang nagutom na bata.
Show them how hungry you are.
Mama, tingnan mo. Logo, Ate Sue, and Santa.
Gutom na gutom sa paglangoy. Buti na lang,
I
masarap yung
swim
lunch.
so good.
Mm.
I swim so much.
Iba na ang color mo. Nakapag-lunch na.
Mom, wait for me.
Sige, go. Katanghali ang tapat. May mga naliligo pa din. Ayan, may gumagawa ng ano. Galing ni kuya, no? Opo. Opo.
Tingnan mo yung sa side. Don't touch, please. Dot, dot, dot.
Oo.
Tanong mo lang mo kung meron na kayo solution po dito sa may Astoria for
Ang galing niya, no, ate?
Ano kahapon kanina?
Di ba kahapon yung nagpa-picture ka din doon sa ano? Sa ganyan na sand?
Oh, kahapon.
Yes. Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Tapos na yung Y.
Yes. What did it do?
B. O.
P-O-I-C-E-8.
Y.
I mean why?
Opo. Very good It says Boracay.
Paratay.
Opo.
It said paratay.
Boracay.
It said P. Paratay. It's paratay. It's paratay.
Let's go. Let's walk na ulit. Let's walk.
No way, you're actually biting on it. I mean,
Kahit napaka init, as in sobrang init. Pero pagka nag-ano ka sa water, malamig. Kaya ang sarap magbabad sa tubig. Di ba, Tanya?
Sa tubig.
Sa tubig, ang sarap magbabad. Nakaka-refresh kasi yung ano. Tapos kalmado lang yung tubig. Chill-chill lang talaga. Pabalik na kami sa hotel para makapagpahinga, and then later magsuswimming na naman ang mga bagets.
Yung papa, mama, ate Tichen Tanya.
Magsuswimming ulit.
Yes. Kasi, no energy.
No energy ka na? Kaya magre-rest daw muna siya.
I have energy.
You have energy.
Yes.
Low nga lang. Low energy na.
No, it's a green energy.
Green energy.
Green energy. The energy is green.
Good morning. Our last day here in Boracay.
We're going on an airplane again.
Yeah. Final day and our last breakfast here in the hotel.
Yeah. Hi, Lola. I'm here in the airplane. Kanina.
Kanina, nung nakaraan, nag-hi lola ka.
I say, hi, I'm here in the airplane. Sabi ni Lola, hi, Ate Tanya.
Sabi ni lola. Ganun pala yun. See you later sa airport ulit.
Narotan niya.
Waiting dito sa lobby ng
I
hotel.
need to win.
Hi Tanya. Nandito kami sa lobby ng hotel. Waiting kami sa sundo para papunta sa airport ulit. 9 AM kami na susunduin. Pero kanina pa kami naka-check out. Tanya, uuwi na tayo. Happy ka? Happy? Did you have fun?
I don't do tampat here.
You're going to come back here? No? Next time ulit, no?
I don't do to touch the sun. I don't do to touch the sun.
You're going to touch the sun. Ikaw ate, nag-enjoy ka? So much? Uuwi na. Sa bahay.
Yes.
See you later sa airport.
I touch this one.
Bye, Boracay! Bye! Say bye-bye na ate.
Bye, Boracay. Bye, Boracay. Bye, Boracay.
We'll see you again.
We will come back again sooner.
Yeah. Next time ulit.
Maybe 1 year later we'll be back.
Papunta na kami sa airport.
Yeah. I'm gonna have the weird feeling again.
Sa plane.
Yeah.
But it's okay. 45 minutes to 1 hour lang naman yung biyahe ulit. Yeah, yung sa plane. See you later. We're here sa port. Ayan, medyo madami ng tao. Tapos sasakay na ulit ng bangka. Hi, Tanya. Hindi ka sleepy? No? Okay, good. sa bangka. Ate, ano tinitignan mo dyan?
Pwede man ito, leto. Porter lang man.
Nandito na kami sa bangka.
Muna tayo ka, Arbe,
I'm standing up so Taya could sit.
Kasya kayo dyan.
Okay.
Napakuha ka ng sita. Kuya,
It's amazing.
Amazing. Hindi ka scared?
Yes.
Hindi.
If I wasn't scared on the airplane, then I'm not scared here as well.
Pasok na kami ng airport dito sa Katiklan. Mahaba na ang pila. Nakapasok na kami. Ay, salamat. Doon tayo, Papa, sa may seats. Okay.
Doon, ate, sa loob.
Dito na kami maghihintay ng aming flight. Mamaya pang 12:20. Balik ka.
Don't bother me.
Ate, mo.
Let's go.
Bus number 27.
27. Thank you. O, go.
The airplane is
Opo, doon. Go na, go. Ate, bus 27. Go. Tanya.
into the bus.
We're going na sa airplane. Nakasakay na kami sa bus.
We don't find the airplane.
Opo, yung airplane. Ngayon si Ate Julius tsaka si Papa. Busy seat. Sasakay na ulit ng airplane si Tanya. Are you excited? You're not scared?
I'm not scared in the airplane.
Mm-mm.
I'm not scared.
Tapos makikita mo ulit yung clouds.
Yes, I see Yoya and Ate and Yoyo and Tita and
Ate Julina.
Ate Tina. So much.
Miss mo na sila?
I miss Yoya and I miss Ate Tina and I miss Piapi and I miss Toto and I miss Tita Ann.
Sino pa? Tita Lisette.
Tita Yusek,
Tsaka si?
Tuya Sat,
Tsaka si? Tita Nini.
Tita Nini.
Later, magkukwento ka sa kanila ha.
And si Tito Ai.
Si Tito Alpha. Tsaka si Tita Pags.
Tita Pats and Joyo.
And
And
Lolo. And Lola.
Lola Loyo.
Mm-mm.
Lola Loyo. Oh my gosh. I see Aden. I see the egg. What is this one? It's so big.
It's so
What the tiny is so big. I see the windows. I see the windows.
Thank you. Let's go. Oh, go.
Yay!
Oh, yeah. Thanks for that.
Ready na? Ready? Yes.
Yes!
Ready.
I'm not stayed in the egg.
Yes, ang papa. Tignan ko. This is it. Bye-bye, Boracay.
Okay, bye, Boracay.
See you again next time.
Next year.
Next year? You wanna go back next year?
I want to go. Or maybe next 2 years. I want to go.
Please ensure seatbelts are
No,
securely
I'm not
fastened,
dating
seat backs
you.
upright, tray tables stowed,
Ayun na, ayun na.
window shades
Magte-take off
open,
na
and
tayo.
hand carry bag secured. Please be reminded that all electronic devices must be switched off for takeoff. Thank you.
No, what did you This is so fast, this is so fast. Oh my gosh. I have the weird feeling again. Whoa! Whoa! Wait a second. Let's go. This is amazing. Are we still slammed in? This is what the. Yeah, I think we are. How are you so close?
Baka mapilaya.
Ay, Tanya, cheating yun. Cheating yun. Wow, there's a VIP. I see the clouds. I see the clouds right over there.
Makita mo?
The clouds.
May clouds na.
I see the clouds. I see the clouds, ate. Yeah.
Oh, say hi na kita doon.
I miss you and Fluffy. I'm gonna hug Fluffy all the way. I'm just gonna cuddle with him, and I want him to sleep with me.
Oh, sit down na.
Oh my God! I see the clouds. I see the clouds. Oh my God! Look at the clouds. It's dying. It's dying. Look at the clouds. Look at the cloud over there. Look at the cloud over there. I really miss my sketchbook. I miss my But we're going home.
ay hindi na nakailaw at ang sasakyang panghimpapawid ay ganap na nakahinto. Maraming salamat po.
We're here na. Go, Tanya. We're back in Manila. Yan sa exit. Ayan na sila Lola. Ayan na sila Lola. Si Lola. Ayan na sila Lola at Lola. Ayun, ayun si Lola at Lola. Ayun si Lola at Lola.
I miss you.
Si Lolo. Wow.
Nice song here ah.
Gumulong na yung bagay mo, ate. Saan kayo nakapark? Okay.
Oo, kay Lola, kay Lola.
Na-miss si Lolo at Lola eh. Kanina pa yan nag-hide dun sa airplane eh.
I miss you. Color. Nice, no? also been in a
Yay!
very-
Uwian na.
Opo.
Yeah.
Thank you sa pagsundo.
Thank you, thank you.
Nanya, na-miss mo si Lolo at Lola?
Talaga?
Look at our hair.
Ano